How to stop autosave photo in Messenger. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe a YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Messenger and make sure that you have a latest version of Messenger. So if you want to switch off your autosave, just go to your settings and scroll down until you find here the photos and media. You can see the photo and media, just click to that option. Now you can see save photos and videos. So if you want to switch off your autosave, just switch off your save photos and videos. Now your videos and picture which you receive on your Messenger will not autosave on your gallery. So this is the way to switch off your autosave photos and videos. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.